Back to the 1D. For a while, the coding had stopped. There were nodes, elements, materials, and solvers. A few FEM examples were built and tested. But before writing more code, some questions appeared. What is a seed? What is Han? What is HEM trying to observe? So the code was set aside for a while. The notes continued instead. Recently, the idea of model transformation brought 1D back to mind. This time, the goal is not an FEM solver. The goal is to take an existing FEM model and look at it from an HEM perspective. Imagine a steel rod 1 meter long. It can be divided many ways. But in the end, it is still one steel rod. Perhaps that is where HEM begins. The first step is simple. Look at the FEM model. If the material is uniform, the section is uniform, and the conditions are simple, many FEM elements may be treated as one seed. The important question is not how many elements exist. The important question is what we are trying to observe. HEM does not have a completed theory yet. So instead of explaining everything, it may be better to follow behaviors that are already known. Tension, compression, yielding, necking, fracture. The experiments already exist. Hand calculations exist. FEM results exist. The question is whether useful concepts can be discovered by following those behaviors. A single seed may be enough at first, but states change over time. At some point, one seed may no longer describe the behavior. Then fission may be needed. In other situations, multiple seeds may behave as one. Then fusion may be needed. The goal is not to divide everything. The goal is to look more closely. Only when it becomes necessary. Following experiments creates choices. Some paths may end. Some paths may require turning back. Some paths may lead somewhere unexpected. That does not mean failure. It simply means the observation produced a result. The work continues from there. Right now, the goal is not to complete HEM theory. A single steel rod is enough. Follow its behavior. Compare it with hand calculations. Compare it with FEM. If needed, follow fracture behavior as well. Through that process, concepts such as seed, Han, relation, fusion, and fission may become clearer. Perhaps the first HEM experiment is not a large structure. Perhaps it is only a simple 1 meter steel rod. And perhaps the first goal is not to create new answers. Perhaps it is to observe again the behavior that already exists. This is not a conclusion. It is only a record of thinking.